Nikki. What are we doing today, Nikki? Oh, good baby. Oh, you're a pretty dog. Oh, yes. Oh, I love you so much. I love you so much. Oh, yes, I do. Yes, I do. I love you, baby. You're so cute. You're so cute. I love you too. I love you too. Yes, Nikki, I love you, baby. Good Nikki. Good Nikki dog. You're a good Nikki dog. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. Oh, yes, I do. I love my dog. Getting some lovins this morning. Getting some lovins. You're so cute. You're such a pretty dog. You're such a pretty dog. You're so pretty. What are we doing today, Nikki? Oh, we're getting dog kisses. Dog kisses. What are we doing today, Nikki? Oh, are we going to go out? Are we going to go outside? It was windy yesterday. It was so windy here. We're in a place called Las Cruces, and we're going to be going home on a road trip pretty soon. On a road trip going home. We're going to post some of our adventures on the way home. We're going to have lots of adventures. Yes, we are. And maybe we'll go for a walk today. We're going to go for a walk. You want to go for a walk, Nikki? Let's go for a walk today. Yeah, let's go for a walk. Yeah, let's go for walks. You love your mama, don't you? Yes, you do. Oh, yeah, you're a good dog. You're such a good dog. Like and subscribe to Nikki's channel. She has her own channel. Yes, she does. Anyway, thank you. Good morning. Have a good day, guys.